It's that time of month to deworm my sheep, and this is something that we do each month to help with their any type of parasites or things wrong in their body, mites or in their skin. I like to do as much organically and natural as possible. But this time we have to use a stronger dewormer. So we're going to use a product that we just got to help deworm the sheep and goat this morning. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Natasha. I work to be self-sufficient, grow my own food, and live off the land. And I'm going to take you to the pen here to see what we're going to do for the goats and the sheep. There's a couple out here. Where'd you go? There's a little one. Little sheep eating here. And these are the sheep here that will be getting dewormed. One of the reasons why I like to, one of the reasons why I like to use the natural dewormers is because, again, whatever I have on the farm we can use. So the natural dewormers would be like our papaya seeds, the aloe vera that I grow, maybe garlic, juicing some garlic and putting it on their food or leaves that we leave in the afternoon. They are fully eat pasture, but sometimes we give them some treats and then like a molasses. So then in using the natural dewormers, we just either throw it in with their food or douse it like the other dewormers, if it's like an aloe vera gel or garlic juice. But today we are going to use a little bit stronger dewormer because we noticed a little bit more parasites and mites, and a couple of the sheep are a little bit more not as strong as they should be. So I'm gonna come in here now. Hey guys. Oh. And my helper's gonna help with deworming them. But you can see here that some of them are a little leaner than usual, although we put them in pasture every day. And hey guys. Buenos días.
Hola, buenos días, ¿cómo estás?
Bien, ¿y tú?
Muy bien, gracias a Dios.
Sí, sí. Ellos están contentas.
Ah, sí. Están gordas, están quedando gordos.
Ajá. So, I think they think he has treats that they're going to get.
Este
Ajá.
y este.
¿Qué es la olivestaza? I don't know.
Vitamina.
Oh, okay. This is the vitamins. Okay. ¿Tiene la B12 adentro?
No.
Oh, no. ¿Qué vitaminas?
Yodo, magnesio y cobre, fósforo y minerales.
Okay.
Pero la B12 es solamente para esa.
¿Cuál?
Para esta. Pero ya la veo mejor.
Ah, sí, okay.
Esta es la deformación que le digo,
Okay. Ah, sí.
Y aquí ve.
Sí.
Pero la veo mejor.
Okay.
Te voy a chusear. Hoy te voy a chusear. Hoy te voy a chusear. Hoy te voy a chusear.
Y ella está afuera por ella.
Sí, es que no los tengo juntos para que no mamen.
Oh, okay, okay. Mm-hmm. Oh, hello. Oh, yeah. There's the goat. So they're going to get a dose of their dewormer and some vitamins. And we're going to do each and every one of them. And we do this once a month, whether it's, in most cases, more natural. But this time it will be using an eco-friendly dewormer.
Me las vas a dejar sin camisa. ¿Eh?
Oh, look at him. Oh.
¿Qué? ¿Qué quieres? ¿Eh? ¿Me vas a dejar sin camisa? ¿Me vas a dejar sin camisa?
Oh, I guess one thought we had treats and just broke through the gate.
No te preocupes, que yo le arreglo eso.
See?
Y ahora le
I don't
pongo-
have treats, honey. They think we have treats.
Ahora le pongo otra tabla.
Now we've got a big hole in one of the gates, so we got to fix. But it's fine because it's all bamboo, and we have that on the farm, so we just use what we have. Okay, which one, Clau? Quiere primera.
Ya no,
Okay.
Vamos primero con el toro de cría.
Toro.
El,
Okay. Hey, baby. I don't have
el
anything.
toro de cría es el primero.
Ese.
Ese mismo.
Okay.
Agárrelo.
All right. We're going to go with the big guy first here. So, we will get him. Yep.
Toro de cría.
Ten cuidado. Uh-oh.
Espérate. Téngame aquí.
Sí. So once he gets the male.
Quédese quieto. Quédese quieto. Quédese quieto. Quédese quieto. Quédese quieto. Quédese quieto.
Uy. Ay. Oh. ¿Está bien o no? Es sucio. Okay. Well. Okay, buddy. So we're going to need a rope.
Ven, venga. Venga. Ven. Ven.
Hey there. We already got her milk this morning. Oh, you got them too. So we're doing a vitamin and the dewormer. The vitamin has the magnesium and the phosphorus and minerals. And we'll be doing this for each and every one this morning. So he's going to untie him, and we'll start on the next, and then we'll send him out to pasture.
¿Qué me pasó? Usted, venga. Quédese quieta. Quieta.